Welcome back to Grandpa's Kitchen. Now we are making today easy pancakes. Like once again, less than 5 minutes, pancakes from scratch. Portia's going to do the working on this one, and I'm going to be her sous chef, her helper. So we're starting off, we mix the wet ingredients, which is 2 eggs. Two eggs, 1 3/4 cups of milk, which is a lot. And a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So whisk that together. So make sure you break the yolks. Whisk it so you can't see no egg pretty well. If you still see bits of egg, it's not, they'll be whisked even more. It's looking good, isn't it? So can you see the consistency now? There's like no egg in there. Really nice. So now we're going to add in the sugar and whisk it. While Portia's whisking, I'll add it. So it is 1/3 cup of caster sugar. So caster sugar because it's finer, you don't want it granularly. And then it's going to be 2 cups of self-raising flour. You can sift this if you want to go through that, but I don't see the point. How's your arm going?
Good.
And the last cup of self-raising flour, in she goes. So it should make like a thick batter that turns into fluffy pancakes. Portia might need a rest. Have a time out.
Oh, I've got a blister there.
It's got a blister. The easiest way to do it is move the bowl, not your hand. So if you're giving it a good whisk, move the bowl around, then you're whisking in the same spot. You're whisking until there is no lumps. Because once again, lumps is flour that is
unmixed,
untouched. Yeah. So this is a different way than using one of the packet ones. So if you've got a smaller family, you probably want to make a few less because this makes a lot of pancakes. But we'll make some in a minute as well. So once we've showed you how to make the mix, we'll go and bake some pancakes. We're going to do pot pancakes and frying pan pancakes.
I've never had pot pancakes.
So pot pancakes is using a small pot to cook the first side and then you flip it into a pan and you get identical shape. How good's that looking? Look, that's a beautiful batter. So the batter is completely lumpless. There's no lumps.
Oh, good job.
Good job. Oh, that tastes yummy.
Someone's watching TikTok.
Yeah. So that's it, ready to go. So next one will be we'll bake them. Bake them, fry them, cook them in butter. Always use real butter because real butter is good for you. So to make it easier to get your pancakes, grab a jug and put your pancake mix into a jug. Teamwork works good from this.
Where do we learn that?
Cooperation.
From Sesame Street.
Can't say that because it's
From Miss Marley.
from Miss Marley. Hey,
Can't still be live.
yeah, but you can cooperate. That's it. So, we're back in Grandpa's kitchen with Portia. We're going to bake the pancakes. Fry them, technically, in a fry pan. We're going to use a pan and a pan.
A pot and a pan.
A pot and a pan, sorry. We use a pot to get the shape, and then we tip it into there, and then it finishes it off. Then we do that one again, tip it in, tip it in, and you get identical stacked pancakes.
Oh, that's how they do it.
Exactly how they do it. If you ever want to know how people make exact same shaped pancakes in the pot. So we're going to go into the pot to start. There's butter melted in the pot. You don't want it too hot. So we're going to go to just about covers the bottom. We've covered the bottom. You don't want it too hot because it'll burn your pancakes. But you want it hot enough that's going to cook your pancakes. And that's not hot enough. So you leave it for about 1 or 2 minutes until they bubble up. Look like a crumpet almost, there's little bubbles in it.
Is that a bit of gravy?
Yes, I think so. But yeah, so that's what we do. So once this one's done, we'll wait for the bubbles and we'll show you the bubbles. And then we'll flip it over into this one and we'll show you as it is. And we'll do that over and over again.
Make sure you have an adult.
Make sure you have an adult when you're playing with hot stuff. And you can see the bubbles are starting to come up now in this pancake. We're going to have the most uniform pancakes in the world. Without having to use like an egg wing or something.
Yeah.
But they're starting to bubble up now, which is good.
You know how Bella likes those mini pancakes?
Yeah.
Take her to the place outside Big W when she's here.
Oh yeah, she loves them.
Yeah.
So it takes a bit of time. So they're starting to bubble now. But you want it so it's almost ready before you flip it. You don't want to have it too not ready. And public announcement, I've never done this before. I've seen it done. But I think it's come along really good by the looks of it. See the bubbles?
Really? Holy.
Just made a mess by doing that too. Probably should have brought the stat to you instead.
It's alright.
Yeah, I reckon we'll flip it in a minute.
Yeah.
You don't want it cooked right through before you flip it either, because they won't get nice the other side. So we're done. We're going to go straight onto this pan now. Made a mess, so probably a bit longer next time. But look at the shape of that pancake.
That is deadly.
Yep, so that's the thing. Wipe this one out. Make my mess out of here. You give me a spatula or something. It had to be a bit longer, to be honest. So once my butter's melted again, we'll go straight back into it. I was a bit rough then, it's a bit splashy, but probably need a little bit longer in the pan.
That looks great though.
Wait, let's spatula. The flipper. And just lift it up while it's cooking to see what it's cooking like. Look at that. That one is pretty well ready. We'll let this cook a little bit longer this time. So we've finished, and look how good the pancakes look like. It's a full stack. This feeds obviously one me or 2 or 3 portions.
Probably 5.
5 portions. They're big pancakes. So we normally put a bit of butter, then maple and maple syrup, or strawberries, or ice cream, or Nutella, Biscoff, whatever you want on. But I'm natural. I'm butter. And then when they're cold, Vegemite and butter.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Ooh.
So we'll do a video in a minute of us putting the topping on it, and then be ready to roll. Nom noms, as Marley would say. Nom noms.
We're going to do a cheers.
Cheers. We've cut some bit of pancake off each. Bit of butter. Cheers. Oh, that's so good. Real maple syrup though, don't get fake maple syrup. Make sure it's pure maple syrup, because you can get fake ones out there. And they can ruin the whole thing. These are good.
These are the best pancakes I've ever had. Cut me a piece. And where did you get the recipe from?
Smiley. Miss Marley in our bakery village.